Hi, my name is Brady Fernandes. I'm a workshop engineer here at Fujifilm Healthcare UK, and today I'll be showing you what a typical day looks like for me here at the head office in Bedford. I hope you enjoy. This is the workshop area. This is where I spend most of my day. This is where we pre-set up and we do our initial builds for the customer to send out to site. My first job of the day is to calibrate a Devo 3 detector with the FDR Nano. Calibration is a crucial step as it ensures the detector is precisely tuned with the FDR Nano to capture the highest quality images. Without accurate calibration, the images could be less clear, which can impact diagnostics and patient care. I have checked that all the settings are correct, run a series of tests, and have made adjustments as needed. This process not only guarantees performance, but also helps us maintain the reliability our customers expect. Around 1 p.m. each day, I take a lunch break and make use of the facilities here at Fujifilm House. These breaks are important as they give me a chance to step away from the workshop, catch up with colleagues, and recharge so I'm ready for the tasks ahead in the afternoon. This afternoon, my job is to repair the docking station. Docking stations are essential because they house the Devo 3 detector and also charge them, ensuring they're ready for use. I carefully diagnose the issue, replace any faulty components, and run through tests to make sure everything is working perfectly before I send it back out. It's a hands-on job that requires attention to detail, but it's incredibly rewarding knowing I'm helping to keep crucial equipment up and running for healthcare professionals. The last job before the end of the day is to unbox this brand new FDR Nano mobile X-ray system. It's always exciting to receive a new unit as it marks the start of another important project. Next week, I'll be preparing and working on the system, ensuring it's fully tested, calibrated, and ready to be shipped to the customer site, where the team will be carrying out further training. Thank you for joining me in the day in the life of a workshop engineer for Fujifilm Healthcare UK. See you soon.